Hi guys, we are at the playground so the kids can play. Hi Justin, say hi to my vlog. Where is he? Where is he? Say hi to my vlog, Ava. Say hi guys. Oh, look at your hair. Hi guys. Welcome to my vlog. My son is trying to hide. Hi. Say hi guys. Welcome. Oops. Say hi to my vlog. Say hi. Hey, say hi to my vlog. Aray ko. Careful.
I'll go up the climb.
Oh, sarap sarap mag-relax. Let's just relax and see the woods. It's nice. Look at the woods. It's so relaxing. Oops. What is she doing? What is your sister doing? She's doing it backwards. Look at her. Silly girl. So we have water and it's nice weather, so why not spend it out before it gets cold? So we are at the park playground. Say hi. Hi to my vlog, Kuya. Hi, cutie. This we could use for making fire. Yeah, there are twigs. I don't know why it's all here, but I know that they're gonna fix this picnic table. They're gonna put it. Where do they usually put this? Over there and some of there. There's a lot of kids comes. Hi. Say hi to my vlog, Miss Pretty Ava.
Water.
Oh, here's the water.
I can't open it.
Oh, I'll open it.
It's warm, Mommy.
Hold my vlog. Your vlog.
I want to hold.
Say hi, guys.
Hi, guys. Hey, welcome to our vlog. I want to try.
Try it, but it's taping the other way. You take a video of the surroundings. You talk. Talk to my vlog. Say hi, guys.
Hi, guys.
Welcome to Mommy's vlog. To our vlog. What? What was that about? Hi. God bless you. God bless you. Hi, buddy. What? It's nice kasi alam mo, maganda yung panahon. Hindi siya masyadong mainit, yung hangin malamig. So, before talagang lumamig, while the weather is nice, we stay outside para maglaro ang mga bata, para mag-spend sila ng time sa labas instead of nasa loob lang ng bahay at so mas mabuti yung ilabas mo sila. Nilalabas ko lang araw-araw pa after kumain ng lunch. Habang pwede pa kasi in coming weeks lalamig na. So this coming yung susunod na araw iinit. Oh, Eva, be careful please. Be careful.
I can't do this.
You can do it? Okay.
Mama,
I know, but make sure. I know, but mommy has to make sure that you're safe. Okay, come on. I know, but you cannot really. Good job. You're gonna. What are you doing? Yeah, so. Kaya.
No, no,
Mas maganda pa rin. Mas maganda kasi ang ganda ng panahon eh. Ilang araw na to sunod-sunod na magandang panahon. Malamig. Hindi siya malamig, pero alam mo yun, ang ganda ng simoy ng hangin. Papawisan ka, pero dahil sa hi. So yan. Kaya we're gonna spend our time the whole afternoon. Careful. Yeah. The whole afternoon. Be careful, Ava. Hold on properly. I'm behind you. You don't need me? Oh God, I don't want to hear that.
Help me.
I don't want to hear that yet. That's in such an early age. I don't need your mommy. I want to hear mommy, I need you. I want to hear that for a long time. Mommy, I need you. I love my children so much. Pray to God every day to guide and protect them every day. Nilayo sila sa mga kapahamakan at alam mo na masaming sakit, mga sakit at alam mo na. I love my children. Ang dalawang tong buhay ko. Gaano kahirap ang buhay pag may makukulit ka. They will make everything better. And sila yung Hoy! What are you doing with your sock? Sila yung ano sa'yo na magsumikap para makaprovide ka para sa kanila. Kaya mo sila isinilang dito sa mundo. Hindi nila kasalanan maging nandito sa mundo. So you have to provide for them. Shake mo baba.
Mommy.
Oh no, what'd you do?
I didn't do anything.
Oh, we're gonna go wash your feet later. Oh my goodness. That's what happened when you don't wear rubber shoes. Croc na sinuot mo. But that's okay. You can take it up when you go on the slide. Watch out, Kuya Sen. But you can't. Do not barefoot because these are sharp. These mulch are sharp, so do not barefoot. Do not step on the mulch, you guys. You can't step on the mulch. They're sharp. So, yan lang guys. Maglalaro muna kami, habulan, taguan, freeze tag, whatever. Para lang mag-enjoy itong dalawang to. See you for the next vlog. Please like and subscribe. Can you guys say? Please subscribe?
Please subscribe.
Eva,
Bye.
say please subscribe.
Please bye.
She watch our videos.
You know what's a video?
Bye guys.